I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Surbex syrup. Surbex syrup is made by Abbott Group of Pharmaceuticals. Price for one bottle is 83 rupees, and this is high potency B complex syrup with vitamin C. It has 100 mg of vitamin C, 50 milligrams of nicotinamide, 10 milligrams of vitamin B1, 6 milligrams of vitamin B2, 10 milligrams pentothenol, 10 milligrams of vitamin B6 and 10 micrograms of vitamin B12. Surbex syrup is indicated for the use in the prevention and treatment of vitamin B complex deficiency with vitamin C supplementation. This is a 120 ml bottle. It can be used in children and adults. For the adults, the dosage is 1 or 2 teaspoonful daily, and for children 1 teaspoon daily or as directed by the physician. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.